Hello guys, welcome to Squad Ninja, and in this video we are going to talk about the best hosting plans for 2019. See, before selection of your hosting, you need to understand which kind of hosting you require. There are basically three type of hosting. First one is shared hosting, second one is VPS hosting, and third one is dedicated hosting. There is a separate video about the types of hosting which you can check from the above cards from the I button. And second thing, before selection of the hosting, you should check the performance, support, and the cost. So in this video we will see which are the most popular type of hostings, and you can opt. So let's start. The first one is Bluehost. Bluehost is the hosting which is officially recommended by WordPress. Yeah, WordPress recommend Bluehost, and it is one of the cheapest kind of hosting. You can say the price is very competitive, and you can see with this, yeah, the Bluehost offer free domain, free SSL, and support, of course. So let's see. Basically, Bluehost offering three kind of plans. First one is basic, then second one is plus, and third one is choice plus. On the basic plan, you can host one website and you will get 50 GB space. On plus, you can install n number of website, unlimited websites, and with choice plus, you can also do the same. So if you are just starting a new website, you can go with the basic plan, and if you want to host more than one website, then you can go with the plus plan. So Bluehost offer 24 into 7 support. Big names like Neil Patel, Pat Flynn endorse Bluehost. It offer free SSL and also 30 days money back guarantee. So if you just starting out, then you can go for the Bluehost. Next we will see the next type of hosting, that is SiteGround. See, SiteGround is the hosting which is very popular in terms of speed. It is bit costly than Bluehost, but the experience of the hosting, with this hosting is very great. Means their support and their speed is just amazing. Three plans. First one is startup, grow big, and go geek. So with the startup, you can host one website and you will get 10 GB web space. With grow big, you can host multiple website and you will get 20 GB web space. So see, if you are just starting and your website will get 10,000 visitors, then you can start with this. But on this startup plan, you can host only one website. The next one is go geek. So we are using SiteGround for the Squad Ninja website, squadninja.net, and the experience of this hosting is just amazing. So what they offer free SSL, they offer free daily backup, they also offer 30 days money back guarantee with free website builder and free email accounts. So you can try with the SiteGround also. Next type of hosting is HostGator. HostGator is also the most recommended type of hosting, and they are offering two plans, which are HostGator India and HostGator which for international. The HostGator India is hostgator.in and hostgator.com is for all world. So it is very cheap. It is I would say it is the cheapest kind of hosting, but they are also very good in terms of speed and other things. See, you can go with the starter plan, that is 99 rupees per month. But if you buy it for 5 months, and if you go for the 5 years, sorry, 5 years, and if you go for 1 year, then the cost will increase to around 200 rupees. So their price is also dependent on the type of server. If you buy it from Indian servers, then the cost will be increased, and if you buy US servers, the cost will be decreased. So you can go with the starter plan, hatchling, baby, and business. For single domain, you can go with the starter and hatchling, and for baby, you can host 3 domains, and with the business, you can go with the unlimited domains. So next type of hosting with the HostGator is HostGator for international, and in which they have 3 basic plans: hatchling, baby, and business plan. Hatchling plan will cost you around $2.75 per month. Baby plan will be 3.95 per month, and business plan will be 5.95 per month. So I am also using HostGator from a long time. Actually, you can buy unlimited domains. Actually, I'm using HostGator India, but unlimited domain doesn't mean that you can host unlimited domains. So if you keep it around 3 to 5 websites, then it is okay. But if you are going to increase the number of websites, then the baby plan wouldn't work. Then you should go for their other plans. So the HostGator is also the most recommended type of hosting. What they are offering faster loading speed, same money back, 24/7 customer support, and their uptime is 99.98%. All three type of hosting uptime is almost 99.98%. So this I would recommend you to choose the hosting from these three. I would not tell you about the other type of hosting because that will only confuse you. So these are the good type of hosting if you want to start a new blog, and if you already host your website on HostGator and Bluehost, then SiteGround would be the best choice for a growing website which has a more number of visitors. So tell me what's your experience with these type of hosting, or if you are using any other type of hosting which is better than these three type of hosting, then you can put that into the comment section. So this is for today's video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.